Everyone, welcome to this channel. I am Riya Sharma, and if you have been learning English for a very long time and now you are very much confused that where to start and you want a roadmap, now you are too much entangled in vocabulary and grammar rules, so this video is only and only for you. In this video I'm gonna give you 6 months roadmap, and believe me, if you follow this 6 month roadmap, you would be rock. Really, you would be rock. You would speak fluently English after 6 months. You know what I have observed many times in the conversation, in the English conversation, that we use few tenses very often, and these tenses are required for being fluent in English. So if you master yourself in these kind of tenses, you would be very fluent. First of all, you should focus on indefinite, present indefinite, and past indefinite. These are majorly used tenses, what you should focus on for being fluent in English. And after that, you should focus on continuous, okay? Now come to the next section, which is very much important. It is vocabulary, okay? So we all have this habit that we want to learn each and every word of the world. You just need a set of words what you will use in your day-to-day life. A set of vocabulary will help you a lot. You know, if you have a set of vocabulary and you use that vocabulary on a regular basis, so whenever you go in front of anybody, you won't get blank. Seriously, if you have a set of vocabulary, please use it, and if you don't have, it's fine. You can make it of your own. So how you would make your set of vocabulary? So first analyze your day, which kind of words you use, and if you know the meaning of those words in English, so it's fine. But if you don't know the meaning of few words, just write it down in a paper and translate it. So please learn words from your surrounding. Try to find out the meaning of those words with which you often interact, okay, rather than having random words, okay, what you are never going to use. You don't know the English meaning of those things by which you are surrounded, so you will get blank. Whenever you will go and talk with anybody, you will get blank because those people coming out of from because those people are coming from your surroundings, okay? So please start learning things which are present in your surrounding, and that is how you will not get blank. This is the best advice what I can give you. So please follow this advice and please practice. Practice at least 1 hour in a day, and if you practice 1 hour for 6 months, you will be rock. Definitely you will be rock, because English is just a language. Don't think that you cannot speak in English. I'm also learning. I'm not a person who is very fluent. I also do mistakes many times. Really, even while making video, I do mistakes. So you can also do it, yaar. Doing mistake is not a sin. I often tell in my videos that doing mistake is not a sin. Okay, so do mistakes, get blank, talk with the people, doesn't matter, but at least practice 1 hour in a day. And what you can do here is that you can create a tracker for yourself for the 6 months, and whenever you complete your practice of a day, so just tick that day first done, day two done, and please join me, okay? I'm also learning and you can learn it too. Please support me, join me, and we will learn together, okay? So we will meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.